Imagine this: the aroma of freshly brewed tea swirling around you, the warmth of sunlight melting worries on your skin, the gentle hum of a quiet melody dancing in your ears. These are not fleeting moments of luxury, but invitations to mindfulness. This guide is your orchestration manual, teaching you to conduct the symphony of your senses, focusing awareness on the subtle wonders present in every breath, every movement, every heartbeat. As you learn to dance with your senses, you'll witness the transformation of the mundane into the miraculous, the ordinary into the extraordinary. Feeling like your brain is a messy library with no Dewey Decimal System? Do thoughts ping-pong around like hyperactive butterflies, making focus feel like chasing fireflies? Fear not, scattered souls. Today, we're hosting a masterclass in mental organization, Mindfulness Meditation 101. We'll unlock ancient techniques to silence the inner chatterbox, sharpen your focus like a samurai sword, and turn your mind into a serene temple of productivity. Welcome to the Soul Path. Hit that subscribe button and grab your metaphorical notebook. We'll dive deep into the science and practice of mindfulness, transforming your scattered thinking into focused mastery. And hey, if you find this masterclass extra valuable, consider a Super Thanks Scholarship. It helps keep the Zen knowledge flowing for everyone. Congratulations, fellow traveler. You've mastered the foundational steps of mindfulness meditation, planted the seeds of awareness, and witnessed the first blossoms of inner peace peek through. Yet, the vast wilderness of your inner landscape still beckons with unexplored valleys and hidden waterfalls. Let's journey deeper, equip you with tools to delve beyond the beginner's guide and sculpt a practice that resonates with your unique spirit. One. Beyond the breath, expanding your anchor arsenal. While the breath reigns supreme as a starting point, the world offers a smorgasbord of alternative anchors. Feel the steady thrum of your pulse, a metronome reminding you of the present moment. Observe the subtle dance of light and shadow as you gaze at a candle flame. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of nature, grounding your attention to the rustling leaves or the chirping of birds. Experiment, discover what anchors your mind like a ship dropping anchor in a calm harbor. Two. From passive observer to active participant. Mindfulness isn't just watching the mental movie, it's becoming the director. Once comfortable observing your thoughts and emotions, venture into gentle redirection. Cultivate loving-kindness meditations, sending waves of compassion towards yourself and others. Practice gratitude meditations, savoring the simple joys life offers, like a warm cup of tea or a child's laughter. These active forms of mindfulness weave positive intentions into the fabric of your inner world. Three. Taming the monkey mind, mastered. Remember the mischievous monkey mind? Well, let's graduate from simple observation to mindful inquiry. When a thought hooks your attention, ask yourself, is this thought helpful? Does it serve me? Explore its roots, its purpose, and gently release it if it doesn't contribute to your well-being. This mindful discernment empowers you to choose where you invest your mental energy, like a gardener weeding unruly vines from a fertile patch. Four. Meditation in motion. Unfurling your mat. Mindfulness needn't be confined to the stillness of a cushion. Carry its essence into your daily movements. Transform your walk into a mindful pilgrimage, feeling the ground beneath your feet, the rhythm of your breath, the symphony of nature surrounding you. Engage in mindful yoga, connecting your breath to each movement, sculpting your body as you sculpt your awareness. Let every action become a meditation in motion, a dance of presence in the grand stage of life. Five. From individual oasis to collective river. Mindfulness isn't a solitary pursuit. Its ripples can spread outward, fostering connection and compassion. Share your practice with loved ones, creating a shared space of mindful communication and mutual support. Organize meditation circles, where silence weaves a web of connection and shared discovery. Remember, your inner peace blossoms into a fragrant flower that can perfume the entire garden of humanity. Six. Mastery is a journey, not a destination. Let go of the illusion of mastering mindfulness. This practice is an ongoing adventure, a winding path with infinite vistas to explore. Embrace the inevitable wobbles, the occasional monkey mind escape, and the days when clarity feels elusive. Each challenge is an opportunity to refine your focus, deepen your understanding, and celebrate the resilience of your spirit. The path of mindfulness meditation, like any grand journey, unfolds in chapters. For those taking their first hesitant steps, the breath becomes a sturdy staff, anchoring the mind in the present moment. But as confidence grows, so too does the landscape of practice. Venture beyond the breath. Feel the steady pulse of your heartbeat, a metronome reminding you of life's ever-present rhythm. Gaze at a flickering candle flame, its dance a metaphor for the impermanence of thoughts. Immerse yourself in the whispering symphony of nature, finding grounding in rustling leaves and chirping birds. Let 1,000 anchors guide you, each revealing a unique facet of the present. Yet, mindfulness isn't merely observing the mental movie, it's becoming the director. Once comfortable witnessing your thoughts and emotions, step into the role of gentle redirection. Cultivate loving kindness meditations, sending waves of compassion towards yourself and others. Practice gratitude, savoring the simple joys like a warm cup of tea or a child's laughter. These active forms of mindfulness weave positive intentions into the very fabric of your inner world. Remember the mischievous monkey mind? With time, you graduate from simple observation to mindful inquiry. When a thought hooks your attention, ask, is this helpful? Does it serve me? Explore its roots, its purpose, and gently release it if it doesn't contribute to your well-being. This mindful discernment empowers you to choose where you invest your mental energy, like a gardener weeding unruly vines from a fertile patch. Mindfulness needn't be confined to the stillness of a cushion. Let its essence flow into your daily movements. Transform your walk into a mindful pilgrimage, feeling the earth beneath your feet, the rhythm of your breath, the symphony of nature surrounding you. Engage in mindful yoga, connecting your breath to each movement, sculpting your body as you sculpt your awareness. Let every action become a meditation in motion, a dance of presence in the grand stage of life. And remember, your inner peace is not a solitary oasis. Its ripples can spread outward, fostering connection and compassion. Share your practice with loved ones, creating a shared space of mindful communication and mutual support. Organize meditation circles, where silence weaves a web of connection and shared discovery. Your inner peace blossoms into a fragrant flower that can perfume the entire garden of humanity. Finally, let go of the illusion of mastering mindfulness. This practice is an ongoing adventure, a winding path with infinite vistas to explore. Embrace the inevitable wobbles, the occasional monkey mind escape, and the days when clarity feels elusive. Each challenge is an opportunity to refine your focus, deepen your understanding, and celebrate the resilience of your spirit. Breathe deeply, embrace the unknown, and step boldly into the next chapter of your mindful adventure. May your inner sanctuary continue to blossom, enriching your life and radiating peace into the world around you. So, continue your journey with joy and curiosity. Explore new techniques, revisit old favorites, and trust that your intuition will guide you to the practices that nurture your soul. Remember, the greatest reward isn't achieving some abstract mastery, but the constant unfolding of the magnificent, ever-present landscape within. Breathe deeply, embrace the unknown, and step boldly into the next chapter of your mindful adventure. May your inner sanctuary continue to blossom, enriching your life and radiating peace into the world around you. Take a moment to acknowledge the progress you've made, the tranquility you've found, and the potential that lies within your own consciousness. Now, your newfound skills in mindfulness are not just for your benefit alone. Share this video with friends, family, and anyone seeking a path to inner harmony. Together, let's create a ripple effect of serenity that extends far beyond our screens. If you found value in this guide, consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our growing community. Your support fuels the creation of more content to guide you on your journey. And for those who believe in the power of gratitude, don't forget to hit the super thanks button if it's available, expressing your appreciation in a tangible way. As we draw the curtains on this session, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. Your commitment to mindfulness is inspiring, and I look forward to meeting you again in our next exploration of self-discovery. Until then, may your days be filled with mindfulness, tranquility, and the joy of living in the present moment. See you again in the next video.